Okay, very quick primer on how to set a limit order on pretty much any exchange. It should all look the same. So let's look at this. Number one, make sure you're not on futures. You don't want to be on futures. You want to be on spot trading. So we'll click Bitcoin right there. We'll just use it as an example. I moved over $100 to from my leverage trading account to show you how to do this. So number one, most people start with market. Just understand that with a market order, you're not getting the best price, and that's why I'm going to show you limit order. So market order, if you do your slider here, it's not going to allow you to put any price at all because it's just the market maker fills your order as soon as they possibly can at whatever price is available. So if things are really if there's a big spread here, when I say spread, a big spread between buyers and sellers, what they're willing to pay or what they're willing to sell at. If that happens on a token that you're buying and you buy it at market, then you may end up getting a much higher price than what you wanted. So it's better to set it as limit. But anyway, if I was to do this and hit buy Bitcoin, it would buy it for me. Same thing if I hit sell, and if I have $100 worth here and I hit sell BTC, it'll sell it all for me immediately. So let's look at limit. So limit orders are very simple to set up. I will show you one that could play out. Right here, these are just some EMA lines. I don't really use them that often, but we can use it in this case. So we can see the current support level is probably 115K. If this was to break down, it would come down here and bounce, I think. So you could set an order right here for 115K. So just type it in there, 115000. Of course, this is for Bitcoin. And then, depending on how much you want to buy, and maybe you want to buy 25% of your total spot amount here that you have in your account, or maybe you want to put all of it in it. Just understand that spot means you're using your own money. Leverage trading means that you're leveraging someone else's money. So you're borrowing money, which is very dangerous if you've never done it before. I would say, stick to spot for sure. So here we got a buy signal. It's a limit buy at 115K. Our quantity is right there. It goes up and down based on the slider here. And our total USDT that we're putting into the trade is $100. So I'm going to hit buy. And you're going to see, no matter what platform you use, it should show you a line here where you've set up the order. And then you'll see it all down here as well. You can hit cancel if you want, or if you have a lot of trades that are set up down here that you want to just cancel them all at once, hit cancel all and confirm. If you want to sell, same thing. Let's say you bought it at 115K here and you're wanting to sell, somewhere up here once it starts moving back up at 120K possibly. You put 120K. It would tell you your quantity down here somewhere, if you actually had some in your account. So, if I had some and I started moving the slider, then you'd see the quantity go up. But it's the same idea. You're just setting, let's say price has already come down and then it's starting to curl back up and you're like, okay, I want to take some profit. Well, you can set it to 50% of that quantity or 25%, 50%. Once it hits a certain level, that may be how much you need to get back to get your initial, the initial amount of money that you put in. You want to get your initials back and let the rest run. So you do like 50% in that case. If it's made a 2x move for you, you'd get your initials back and still have, money in the play to go higher that you'd be just riding for free basically. Or you can sell all of it and then just hit sell BTC. But this is a very basic primer on how to do that. If you have any other questions, post them in the comments below, and I'll answer those questions for you or do another video. Take care.